What is going on, YouTube? And welcome back to the Clear Cryptos Education Channel. My name is T. Haas from the Crypto Shop. And of course, you know I got my man Jay Seals with me. What's going on, brother?
What's good, everybody?
Listen, ladies and gentlemen, today was a crazy day in crypto. As we're filming this video, it is Thursday evening. As you know, Coinbase hinted yesterday at some pretty big news. They just gave us a big blue dot and say, guess, right? A big blue dot with 223.23. Everybody was guessing. My guess was a token. I didn't know what they were doing. But today we got the story that is going to change DeFi for a very long time. Justin, take us away and tell us all about this layer 2 for Coinbase.
Yeah, so Coinbase announced a new Ethereum Layer 2 network testnet launch. So on February 23rd, Coinbase announced this testnet launch of their Ethereum Layer 2 network called Base. The solution offers a secure, low-cost, developer-friendly way for users to build dApps or decentralized applications. Base is built on an MIT licensed OP stack in association with Optimism. Coinbase intends to make on-chain the next online and get over 1 billion users into the ecosystem, which is making the mission of making crypto mass adoption happen. And to achieve the objective, Base will serve as both a home for Coinbase, on-chain products, and an open ecosystem for users to build. Now, moving on forward, Will Robinson, VP of Engineering, revealed that Base will be incubated inside of Coinbase. However, the team remains committed to full decentralization eventually. The exchange has no plans of issuing a new network token. So if you didn't know, Coinbase is already a stock and they're not going the token route like Binance, like crypto.com, and the others that all have coins. And I think that's really for the best, especially after FTX. You just don't want to mess with that. So one of the main reasons why Base is being launched is to provide users with an easy access to Ethereum Layer 1, other Layer 2s, and other Layer 1 ecosystems like Solana. Coinbase intends to check a couple of boxes from making Base interoperable with other chains to fostering new chain support across its products. The solution is built on Ethereum and leverages its security. Since Base is powered by Coinbase, it'll likely become easier to build dApps with access to firms, products, users, and tools. Coinbase released a statement saying that seamless Coinbase product integration, easy fiat on-ramps, and powerful acquisition tools enable developers to serve the 110 million plus verified users and access $80 billion assets on the platform in Coinbase ecosystem. As far as the fee is concerned, Base offers full EVM equivalents at a fraction of the cost, so it's going to save developers a lot of money, and builders can set up gaseous transactions for dApps and securely build multi-chain apps with easy-to-use bridges. So I know it's a lot of technical jargon, but this is amazing. So Hobbs, what do you think, man?
Hey, listen, all I can say is if you're not invested in the Coinbase, it is selling for about 60 something dollars a share right now. You better get in where you fit in. I think this is absolutely amazing and it's done the right way. I would assume Coinbase being an actual stock backed by, the insurance of the stock market, right? It probably had to go through a lot of hoops to get this done, meaning they already know or probably were talking to some of the big wigs in the SEC, and SEC probably told them, stay away from the token and you're good. They stayed away from having their own token. They're building a layer 2 solution on top of Ethereum, letting Ethereum do all the work, because in there it says Ethereum is going to be the gas fee and all that other type of thing. But now they have a clear footing pathway into DeFi. Make no mistake about it. This is absolutely a play for DeFi projects as well as NFTs to get a taste of that millions and billions of volume that Coinbase provides without actually integrating into the Coinbase platform. So imagine having primary tokens still getting listed on the big exchange, but then Coinbase using their name and kind of their likeness under the umbrella of whatever this other project is, but under their umbrella, but they're powered by Coinbase. Imagine how many people are going to be flocking to build dApps over there and literally bring on DeFi projects over there. So I think it's brilliant. I think this is going to be, dare I say, revolutionary for the DeFi space, right? But at the same time, it also makes me bullish on DeFi because it means that DeFi is here to stay. What are your thoughts, man?
Yeah. I mean, I can't agree more. Going through kind of the SEC, because that's really everybody's biggest problem right now is the SEC, the big guys in the room that are coming after everybody in crypto and trying to find anything that they could potentially do wrong. But the fact that they're not creating a new token, they don't have to now worry about the SEC. And on top of that, they're looking at DeFi. They're going to allow DeFi projects to build on the platform. This is only good for DeFi. Like you said, they're going to capture a portion, if not a large portion, a good majority of the portion of DeFi, which is only going to help DeFi even further. Because right now, DeFi is small. Not a lot of people know about DeFi, but a lot of people know about Coinbase. And once they find out about DeFi and what's going on over in DeFi, they're going to want a piece of the action too, which is going to help out everybody else that's been so early into DeFi now.
100%, man. But you guys let us know what you think in the comments down below. We could talk about this subject all day, and best believe in the crypto shop tomorrow, we're going to be discussing this. So let us know what you think in the comments down below. Let us know if you agree or disagree. Don't forget to subscribe to the ClearCryptos education channel. Come on back for more if you like content from myself and Jay Seals and all of the other content creators over here. But my name is T Hobbs. That guy above is Jay Seals, and we'll catch you guys on the next one, man. Peace.